What's up? What's up, people? How are you guys doing? So today on my channel, you guys are here for something new. No fitness, not spirituality. This is something out of the box today. So we're going to do a fashion shoot today. I'm going to shoot the BDS. Yes, it's definitely exciting because this is my first time vlogging. I never actually did vlog with anything, but this is actually fun. 1 second. Yep. So I'm definitely excited to do this, and you know what? Let's get started. So with the location, we reached the location. That's my car. So the model's inside. We're shooting. Yes, there are 3 looks today. We're gonna work on 3 looks. Totally urban fashion, tomboy fashion it is. Yes, you'll be seeing and following me through this video. Please hold up and keep watching this. You'll definitely be satisfied with this. Thanks to you.